What are all these people lining up for? This line is huge. Let's see where it leads. What's bringing all these people to Anaheim? Cakes, cookies, ice cream, and sweets? Today we're in Anaheim, California for CookieCon 2018. It's the 2018 Los Angeles CookieCon. It's back and it's bigger than ever. In this new venue, the show is enormous. This is going to take more than one kid to cover the show. Thank goodness I brought some friends. A little bit about your company, The Dirty Cookie?
Sure. So my company is The Dirty Cookie, and what we're known for is our cookie shots. They're cookies in the shape of a shot glass, and you get to fill it with different flavors. The milk, coffee, ice cream. You can get pretty creative with the filling options, but the concept is you drink your milk out of your cookie instead of dipping your cookies in milk.
That's so cool, and they look so cool too because you get your milk and your cookie in one bite.
Exactly.
There was definitely no shortage of sweets and treats at this show. We visit the Cake Mamas, famous for their appearances on the Food Network. So we saw you on Cake Wars and Cupcake Wars, and what was that like?
Very stressful. It's a lot of pressure, but it's a lot of fun. They actually called me and asked me if we would go on. They called when we were still making cakes from home, and we said no because we didn't need any more customers. And then when we got into our bakery, we said yes finally, and then that helped our business explode. So it was good.
And what made you want to start this company?
So when I started my business, my daughters were 4, 6, and 8, and they wanted to come to the bakery and play around in all the frosting and do fun stuff like that. And it was really important that they learned how to handle money and they learned how to deal with customers. So now they're 16, 14, and 12. And my youngest daughter is actually over here. She's the most business savvy person you'll ever meet. Not just a little girl, but she's really good with business. And so they just inspire me to be a really good mom and a really good leader for women. And so I'm all about female empowerment, and especially with little ones like you. You know, we tell you that you can be whatever you want when you grow up, right? But sometimes adults have to do that too. So I'm trying to get out in the community and spread some kindness in the world with my sweets, but also to empower young girls like you and older women too to follow their passions.
All right, so we had 4 categories. We had animated, wedding, horror, and rock and roll. First trophy, Coco girls, the Coco ladies, yes! Prize for wedding. Our winner is Mimi's Cakes. For horror, this is for Rebecca. Rebecca was like the cookie cake. It was a haunted house, looked like a gingerbread. Final prize, this is for rock and roll. The Monsters Inc. cake. So give it up for everyone who participated in the contest and who won. All of our winners, everybody.
Hi Angela, can you tell me about the Curlytop Baker?
Yes, we're Curlytop Baker. We are a company from Henderson, Nevada. We started off with just baking cookies for the homeless, and now we're here. This is our box of chocolate chunk original cookies, and a portion of all proceeds goes back to feeding the homeless.
I tried your cookies and they're absolutely delicious.
Wonderful, I'm so glad.
Angela, what products do you have?
We have a full menu full of cookies. You can find them at curlytopbaker.com. My favorite is the bacon chocolate chip.
That sounds so good.
It's delicious. It's a mixture of sweet and salty all in one cookie.
For baking parties for kids, we have Baking with Melissa. tell us about your products?
Yeah, so we have 4 flavors of beef and 2 flavors of bacon. I think our bacon are probably the most popular.
Where did the idea of bacon jerky come from?
I mean, it was one of those things where everybody loves bacon, and it was one of my favorite things, so had to try to make it work with our different flavors.
The bacon jerky. What the fudge is a Fookie?
It's how you make cookies better. You pour fudge on top of cookies. We have the original Fookie. It's a chocolate chip cookie with semi-sweet chocolate fudge. We got the Fookadoodle. It's a snickerdoodle cookie, white chocolate fudge, caramel swirled into it, little cinnamon sprinkled on top. Then we have the Ebony and Ivory. It tastes like cookies and cream. Our version of Oreos. But then we have Crazy for Caramel. It's a dark chocolate caramel cookie, white chocolate fudge, caramel swirled into it, baked into the cookie. Then we have Peanut Butter Deliciousness. Dark chocolate, peanut butter, chocolate chip, peanut butter fudge on top. And then we have Fudge Fudge.
Ooh, they all sound so good.
Well, let's have some then. Are they cooking delicious or what?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi, can you tell us about all of your products?
Yeah, our product is from Taiwan. Our traditional product is ramen noodle, but now we bring the new products. It's honey butter nuts, wasabi nuts, and seaweed snacks, and our traditional pineapple cake.
So what made you want to start this company?
We started this company a little over 6 years ago, and I created this product because I needed something that I couldn't find on the market for myself. But because I wash my hands a lot, I needed something that's going to stay with me throughout several hand washes. And because our product is oil soluble, it doesn't just wash right off like lotion does.
Can you tell us a little bit about all of these products?
Sure. So we have 2 main products. We call these our sweet and single candy scrubs. They're all individually wrapped like candy. They're a nice blend of oils and butters that help really make your skin moisturized. We came up with a body scrub size we call the Body Truffle, and they're good for 1 or 2 uses. And we do it this way so you're not going to have to waste a jar of scrubs that you didn't use up right away and they get kind of yucky. So you're just going to use this once or twice. You can take it on vacation. You can take it to the airport and not worry about liquids. And it's something great that you can use anytime. So everything is about not wasting. They're all travel friendly, and you're not putting germs into jars.
So if you drop this one in, it'll make all the bubbles.
So it's a nice way to relax after a long day, and we do use the same exact blend of oils and butters as our scrubs. So even if you're not exfoliating, when you come out of the bath water, it'll make your skin soft and you won't need to use lotion either.
Rub your hands, rub.
As the day ended, we had to bid a sweet farewell to the Los Angeles CookieCon. We can't wait until next year! Bye, CookieCon 2018! Wait! Where'd they go? If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on all the fun. See you on the next episode.